get the stone surfaced a little bit. Feels good. All right. I've already got the angle correct for this knife. This should be pretty quick. This knife's not in bad shape at all. When I was surfacing this stone just a minute ago, I used the softer side because I don't need to be very aggressive with this guy. Redo this side again. So I've got a really good burr already right here. And then it kind of from here back dies off. And from here forward dies off. So I'm going to go slow on the ends and fast in the middle, because I don't need to focus on the middle at all right now. And on the ends, I am applying a decent amount of pressure. Okay, getting closer here. And we're almost there. So we're almost done with this side. So one more time. And we'll run down to this end. Oh yeah, perfect. All the way down now. Oh yeah, nice. All right, let's get this side done. Just a little bit more on this heel. There we go. Nice. Okay. Now just make sure everything's nice and clean. Okay. So I was going into the blade. Now I'm going to reverse it because we're going to strop, but let me get some compound on there. This is a really light compound. Not applying any pressure here. Just letting the weight of the knife do it, and I'm not using that rail because I want to get a higher angle. So I'm just on that apex. Okay. See, use my fingernail. See if it drags anywhere at all. Just a little. Just a little. Feels pretty clean. Let me see if I can find a piece of paper. This guy off. See how we've done so far. I've got, I think, just a small burr or two catching. So let's get after it. Can be that edge just needs to be cleaner. It gets that compound on there, and it wants to kind of catch a little bit too. That's a lot better. That's better. We're almost there. Stay with it till it's perfect. That's the motto. Only takes an extra minute or two to make it perfect. Clean the blade off here and try it again. I don't have my honing board out here, so I usually hone it right after I strop, but I've got it in my office right now. Yeah, it's good there. Looks good. Nice. All right, that's what we're looking for. So after I hone it, it'll